Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about some of the things that I look at stocks and some of the stocks that are actually on my watch list. We're going to go over four. If you have any comments, suggestions, comment below. Hit me a like, subscribe, that'd be great. But again, disclaimer, I am not a licensed professional. I am only here to show you my journey. If you want to invest in the stock market, seek a professional to help, or do your own research. That's how I did it. Again, I am not a professional, but here we go. Dividend invest. All right, let's get right into it here. The first stock that I'm looking to, ticker symbol CSCO, Cisco Systems. Cisco Systems with a current PE ratio of 16.65. Cisco Systems designs, manufactures, and sells Internet Protocol-based networking and other products related to communications and information technology industry worldwide. Mouthful. Let's hope, from what I hear, they're really going to be big in 5G. This is an older company that is trying to reinvent itself, but let's get into some of these numbers that they got here. First of all, one of the numbers that I like to look at is the price to book value. Price to book value for Cisco Systems is currently at 5.99. A little high for my taste, but we'll see. Next thing I like to look at is the current ratio. The current ratio for Cisco Systems is currently a 1.51. Current ratio, something with usually current ratio above a 1. Anything above a 1 is pretty good. And that's okay, 1.51 for the current ratio for Cisco Systems. Next thing I like to look at is the debt to equity ratio. The debt to equity ratio for Cisco Systems is currently a 0.43. Now, anything below 0.5, 2 thumbs up. So 0.43 for Cisco Systems, excellent. Being a dividend investor, of course, we got to check out the dividend yield. The current yield for Cisco Systems is a 2.98%. I like stocks that are between 3 and 4%. The dividend rate, okay, we have the yield as a 2.98%. The dividend rate is currently $1.40 a share. Pretty good. I like that one, but there's a lot of stocks to choose from. So let's get into the next one. The very next one that we're going to look at is CSX. CSX Corporation. Current share price is $65.12. Current PE ratio is of 15.6. CSX Corporation, together with its subsidiaries, provides rail-based freight transportation services. CSX, I don't have anything with rails. This is a railroad, freight railroad. So that's why I'm looking into it. Let's get into some of the numbers. The price to book currently is a 4.24. The current ratio is currently a 1.55. Again, like I said, with current ratio above a 1, very good. The debt to equity ratio is a little high for my taste, meaning that they do have a lot of debt compared to their equity. Is a 1.26. Again, the debt to equity ratio is a 1.26. The dividend yield, a little low, is a 1.48, which is 96 cents a share usually. The thing I don't like about this, amongst the dividend yield, is the 3-year dividend growth rate is a negative 1.9%, but the 5 years, a moderate 2.3%. So take it as it is. And the third stock that I'm looking at right now is EMR, or Emerson Electric Company. Emerson Electric, a technology and engineering company, provides various solutions to industrial, commercial, and consumer markets worldwide. Emerson Electric's PE ratio is currently a little high for my taste. I like PE ratios that are 20 or below. So it's 22.96. I believe I've been watching this stock for a very long time, and it just hasn't. I wanted it under 60. It's currently under 60. Again, the share prices are $58.27. It is currently under 60, but I feel like it's going to go lower, especially in the volatility, the market that we're in, the volatility. And I'd like that P ratio to come down a little bit. But the price to book value for Emerson Electric is currently at 4.09. Their current ratio, again above a 1, is a 1.18. The debt to equity ratio for Emerson Electric is 0.49. Again, anything below a 0.5 I like. Below 1 I like, I should say. Anything below 0.5 is excellent, so 0.49. Dividend yield for Emerson Electric I really like. It's 3.38% and $1.96 for the dividend. Fourth and final stock that we're going to talk about today is Genuine Parts Company, or GPC. GPC, current stock price $89.34. GPC distributes automotive replacement, industrial parts and materials, and businesses products in North America, Australia, New Zealand, the UK, France, Germany, Poland, and Puerto Rico, pretty much worldwide. Some of the numbers for GPC. The current PE ratio is 16.7, pretty good. The price to book is 3.56. The current ratio is a 1.26, again above a 1. The debt to equity is a 0.98. Again, I like companies that have anything below a 0.5, but 0.98 is pretty good. Dividend yield is really good, is a 3.40. Of course, I'm a dividend investor. I like dividend yields. I like dividend yields that are between 3 and 4% usually. I'll take below 3%, but generally 3 and 4%. Usually if it's below 3%, I like to see that they're growing their dividend. The current dividend is $3.05 a share. And that's GPC for you. And those are just 4 of the stocks that I'm looking into. Most of the time I'm looking into about 15 stocks at a time. Maybe I'll do a video on those. But if I buy any of these companies, I will definitely let you know. I just want to say like, subscribe, comment. Any tips that you have, any comments, I'll try to respond as best as I can. I am not a licensed professional. If you want to invest in the stock market, go to a licensed professional and do your own research. That's most important. Do your own research. Do not take my advice. I do not give advice. I am only here to show you what I'm looking at and what I'm looking into and my journey in the stock market. So guys, remember, dividend invest.